Hey guys, Christian from Imperial Workshop, and today I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble the Dauntless hilts. Let's get into it.
Okay, so there's not too much to this one. We're just going to start by unscrewing the top piece of the hilt. Once you get that off, we're going to move to the bottom and unscrew the pommel. And then we're going to unscrew both of the screws located right behind the button. Make sure to keep both of these screws in a safe place as they are very important. Now that we got both of those screws out, we're going to go ahead and push in on the button and pull from the top of the core, which should slide right out. And now your Dauntless hilt is taken apart. To put the hilt back together, we're going to go ahead and grab the core, slide it in from the top, make sure that your button and charge port are aligned, move to the back of the hilt, and put both of the screws back in. It doesn't matter if you start with the bottom or top screw, both will yield the same result. Now that we got both of those screws in, we're going to go ahead and grab the top of the hilt and screw that on. Once we get that fully fastened, we're going to grab the pommel and screw that on as well. And your Dauntless hilt is fully assembled.
Thanks for watching this video. If you need any further assistance or run into any complications, please reach out to the email linked in the video's description. See you in the next one.